Got some spare SSDs lying around after an upgrade? And why don't you get some of these enclosures? Cheap to buy, easy to pick up, and very easy to use. Both from Ugreen. One's a SATA SSD and one's an M.2 SSD enclosure. I did try the Oracle M.2 enclosure and I didn't like it one bit. It felt quite cheap and I didn't trust it, especially with the overheating. So I decided to purchase the Ugreen one, and it's a totally different, better build quality, no overheating problems, well worth it. I'll show you now how to actually put a M.2 SSD in this enclosure. It's very easy to do. The SATA SSD enclosure is actually the easiest one. No tools required whatsoever. Very easy to do. What makes it very handy to swap SSDs around when you need to. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much.